Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the channel. If you're into tech news, breakdowns, troubleshooting, and staying ahead of the latest updates, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any updates. Microsoft's latest security update for Windows 11 KB506-0842 was supposed to fix lingering compatibility issues. Instead, it has triggered unexpected black screens for users, particularly those running Nvidia 576.52 drivers. The issue? Anti-cheat software is mistakenly flagging Nvidia drivers as unauthorized system modifications, leading to sudden crashes. In response, Microsoft has rushed out KB506-3060 to serve as an emergency patch. But is that enough? Who knows? The problem starts at the kernel level, where Windows 11 24H2 updated driver protection is creating a conflict with third-party software. Many anti-cheat systems rely on deep-level monitoring to detect malicious activity, but with Windows tightening its security protocols, some of these detections feel, they're kind of backfiring. Nvidia driver operations, which directly interface with the kernel protection functions, are getting caught in the crossfire. This leads to system instability and dreaded black screen crashes, which users initially mistook as a simple driver failure. Adding to the confusion, Microsoft also placed a hold on 506-0842, restricting updates to affected devices. This block's primarily impacted PCs with basically x86 across the board, I would think, raising concerns about major compatibility issues with a lot of hardware. With KB506-3060 now rolling out, Microsoft hopes to resolve these conflicts. But the damage has already been done. Gamers and professionals relying on Nvidia graphics cards are left in limbo, deciding whether to install the latest fix or wait for more stable long-term solutions, like driver updates. So how can users temporarily work around the issue? Safest option is to manually install KB506-3060 on your own accordance. That means you use it as your own discretion. Through the Microsoft Update Catalog, those experiencing imminent black screens may consider rolling back, or might want to consider rolling back 506-0842 altogether. Additionally, tweaking Nvidia driver settings can help prevent certain security triggers. If a game allows it launching in a single player mode, basically if you're in a single player mode and you're launching without anti-cheat, this can confirm whether the protection layer is the cause. This situation highlights a broader problem. Security updates often come with unintended consequences, especially as Windows continued to refine kernel level protections. Anti-cheat systems meant to safeguard fair play are now interfering with legitimate gaming experiences. Microsoft and Nvidia will need a coordinated fix to ensure future updates don't dispute the gaming and professional workflows that rely on stable driver support. Until then, users will need to tread carefully, balancing system updates, driver patches, and temporary workarounds to keep your setups running smoothly. And that's it for today's breakdown, guys. Hopefully this helps you stay ahead of the issues and gives you the tools to keep your system running more smooth. If this video helped, consider supporting the channel, hitting the subscribe button and the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. And don't forget to leave a comment and share as well, and tell your friends about the fix. Maybe they need it to help them get it fixed. But until the next time and the next video, you know what it is, and we'll see you on the next one.